Hello everyone, welcome to the official UniFab channel. Today we're introducing UniFab Smoother AI, a deep learning-based video frame interpolation technology designed to tackle frame rate drops that cause choppy playback and poor viewing experiences. UniFab innovatively combines temporal information extraction from both pixel and latent spaces, using 3D wavelet transforms and Brownian bridge diffusion models to precisely capture spatiotemporal details and efficiently generate smooth, natural, intermediate frames. Technically, UniFab employs end-to-end neural networks integrated with transformer architecture and latent diffusion models, overcoming the limitations of traditional optical flow methods to enhance interpolation quality and model generalization. UniFab offers both a fast model and a high-quality model. The fast model significantly boosts inference speed, ideal for real-time video processing, while the high-quality model is tailored for complex dynamic scenes, delivering outstanding visual detail and temporal coherence. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more AI video technology insights. See you next time.